Hello dear children, we all know different types of lines and shapes. Standing line, sleeping line, slant line and many more. There are so many shapes, circles, triangles, hexagon, pentagon, and when we are repetitively use all these shapes and lines and create any design, it called a pattern. We can see patterns on many types of fabrics like mama's dress, sari, bed sheets, flooring and many more things. So today we are going to learn pattern design. Pattern design is very important to improve our motor skill and to improve our concentration. So let's enjoy. For this pattern making activity, we need this A4 size sheet and any color or black color sketch pen. I border it and I made 4 equal parts of this paper. Children, first we are going to draw semicircle pattern in this part. For that, we are going to fill like this semicircle, sometimes near to each other, and then 4 lines after this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can draw 5 lines, but you have to continue that in each and every part. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like this, we are going to fill this external portion of that rectangle. So after that, where we can see the remaining portion, means here we can draw, here we can draw, one here we can draw, here is there, one more here we can draw. Like this, again 5 lines of the, again 5 lines after this circle. So after external portion, where we can see the gap in between two parts, there again we can continue this. So after this portion, we can fill this inner part with black color also or leave it like white color only. In this second rectangle, what we are going to draw? First we will draw like this lines. Four, 5, how much it will be? 4 is enough, I think. Then again 3 in this standing line, 3 are enough. Like this, after completing this much, we are going to draw the patterns. Here horizontal lines, alternative we are going to fill. Here again horizontal lines, and some parts we will fill with vertical lines. Alternate part we will fill with vertical lines. Like this, we will fill alternative parts in this part. Okay. In this third part, we are going to fill circles. Sometimes big circle, sometimes small circle, near to each other. Okay, children. Like this, near to each other, we are going to fill this circular portion, and remaining portion we will fill with this brown color, like this. So whole remaining portion we are going to fill with this brown color. This pattern will improve our concentration as well as our patience. So after this we are going to only border this. If you are using black color sketch pen, no problem, but I am going to give one side dark effect to this rocks, so it will give 3D effect. See, like now this last part we are going to do the checks. Checks means standing line first near to each other, and then slipping lines. After completing this part or this point we are going to touch to another, means it is a diagonal, and then we are going to draw like this lines here, and this portion we are going to fill. See, once again I will tell you, this half portion we are going to draw lines, whole slant line we are going to fill, and here half portion we are going to draw one triangle, right angle triangle. Like this we will fill our this whole part. Now children, in this picture we will show shading. See, only the end, means where is the last wala semicircle, there I am going to give little bit this shade with the help of pencil, and I am going to merge it. So each and every end, means fifth line of that particular semicircle, we are going to draw little lines, and we are going to merge with our fingertips or cotton. Yes, you all know how to merge it. Yes. So like this we are going to merge, and it will give you 3D effect. Like this children, we have completed our pattern making activity. You can use different colors, different pattern, and try more. Thank you.